Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am here with some GKs which will be helpful for upcoming exams. So let's not wait any longer. Number 1. Glass is soluble in A. H2SO4, B. HClO4, C. HNO3, D. HF. The correct answer is D. HF. Number 2. Sensitivity of the human eye is maximum in the A. Violet region, B. Green region, C. Blue region, D. Red region. The correct answer is B. Green region. Number 3. A collection of HTML pages makes up the A. Hyperlinks, B. Hypertext, C. World Wide Web, D. Hypermedia. The correct answer is C. World Wide Web. Number 4. Acid rain is caused by A. SO2 and particulates, B. NO2 and particulates, C. CO2 and CFCs, D. SO2 and NO2. Answer D. SO2 and NO2. Number 5. Heavy water is so called because it contains A. Heavy isotope of hydrogen, B. Heavy isotope of oxygen, C. Mole number of hydrogen atoms, D. Mole number of oxygen atoms. The correct answer is A. Heavy isotope of hydrogen. Number 6. The skin-biting mosquito has legs as locomotory organ which are A. 4 pairs, B. 3 pairs, C. 2 pairs, D. 1 pair. The correct answer is B. 3 pairs. Number 7. For the first time Commonwealth Games were held during 1930 in A. London, B. Canada, C. Brazil, D. Pakistan. The correct answer is B. Canada. Tidal forests comprising mainly the mangrove vegetation are found in A. Nagarjuna Sagar, B. Narmada Basin, C. Sundarban Delta, D. Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary. The correct answer is C. Sundarban Delta. Number 9. The river known as Podda in Bangladesh is A. Jamuna, B. Ganga, C. Tista, D. Brahmaputra. The correct answer is B. Ganga. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. Chipko movement, S.L. Bahuguna, B. Save Narmada movement, Medha Patekar, C. Epico movement, P. Hegde, D. Silent movement, Baba Amte. The correct answer is D. Silent movement, Baba Amte. Number 11. A plant with 30 semi or more circumference from human chest height is identified as A. Herb, B. Shrub, C. Medicinal herbs, D. Tree. The correct answer is B. Shrub. Number 12. Who presented the Union Budget in 1970? A. T.T. Krishnamachari, B. C. Subramaniam, C. Indira Gandhi, D. R. Venkataraman. The correct answer is C. Indira Gandhi. 13. Which is the most important system in democracy? A. Social, B. Political, C. Economic, D. Governmental. The correct answer is B. Political. Number 14. What is the system of local self-government in the Panchayati Raj setup? A. 4-tier system at the village, block, district and state level. B. 3-tier structure at village, block and district level. C. 2-tier system at village and block level. D. Single-tier setup at village level. The correct answer is B. 3-tier structure at village, block and district level. Number 15. Gandhiji withdrew the non-cooperation movement due to A. Chauri Chaura incident, B. Champaran movement, C. Kakori conspiracy, D. Badoli movement. The correct answer is A. Chauri Chaura incident. Number 16. The word impossible is found in the dictionary of fools. Was the famous quote of A. Hitler, B. Alexander the Great, C. Julius Caesar, D. Napoleon. The correct answer is D. Napoleon. 17. Deflation is a situation in which A. The value of money is falling, B. The price of goods is increasing, C. The value of money is increasing, D. The price level is stagnant. The correct answer is C. The value of money is increasing. Number 18. Which of the following dynasties succeeded the Mauryas? A. Satavahanas, B. Shungas, C. Yavanas, D. Pandya. The correct answer is B. Shungas. 19. The important metal used with iron to produce stainless steel is A. Aluminium, B. Chromium, C. Tin, D. Carbon. The correct answer is B. Chromium. Number 20. The name of unreactive gas is A. Carbon dioxide, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, D. Oxygen. The correct answer is B. Hydrogen. Number 21. Approximate lifespan of parrot is A. 20 years, B. 40 years, C. 70 years, D. 140 years. The correct answer is A. 20 years. Number 22. Tendons and ligaments are A. Connective tissue, B. Muscle tissue, C. Epithelial tissue, C. Skeletal tissue. The correct answer is A. Connective tissue. 23. What is a compound microscope? A. A microscope that has one lens, B. A microscope that has two sets of lenses, an ocular lens and an eyepiece, C. A microscope whose lenses are concave, D. A microscope whose lenses are convex. Answer B. 24. Which one of the following is not included in the Eightfold Path of Buddhism? A. Right speech, B. Right contemplation, C. Right desire, D. Right conduct. The correct answer is C. Right desire. 25. The most stable form of carbon: A. Diamond, B. Graphite, C. Fullerene, D. Coal. The correct answer is B. Graphite. That's all for today. Hope you must subscribe the channel and click on the all notification bell so that you can get all the notifications for the next time. Thank you.